On the night of November 4th, 1605, a group of English Catholics embarked on a daring mission to blow up the House of Lords and assassinate King James I. This event became known as the Gunpowder Plot, orchestrated by Robert Catesby, along with notable figures like Guy Fawkes. Discontent had been brewing among Catholics who faced severe oppression under Protestant rule. They hoped that destroying Parliament would pave the way for a Catholic monarch to ascend to the throne. The conspirators rented an underground cellar adjacent to Westminster Palace and filled it with barrels of gunpowder, 36 in total. However, their plot was uncovered when an anonymous letter warned a member of Parliament not to attend the session that day. As authorities investigated further, they discovered Fawkes guarding their explosive cache. The aftermath was swift and brutal. Several conspirators were executed, while others fled or were captured in subsequent days. Today, Guy Fawkes Night is celebrated every November 5th in Britain with bonfires and fireworks, a stark reminder of this historical event's impact on religious tolerance and political dissent in England.